In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add music to your Big Cartel website. Adding music can enhance your visitor's experience, making your site more engaging and memorable. To get started, open your web browser and head over to the Big Cartel dashboard. Log in with your credentials, and once you're on your dashboard, your first point of action will be to locate the Apps section. This is where you'll find various third-party applications to enhance your website. Once you've located and clicked on Apps, scroll down until you find the POWR app. POWR is a versatile tool that offers a host of features, including the option to add music players to your site. Click on POWR to proceed, but keep in mind that some features of POWR, especially those more advanced, might require an upgrade to your current plan. It's something worth considering if you haven't already decided on your plan level. If you find that an upgrade suits your needs and budget, go ahead and click on Upgrade to Install to proceed with using the POWR app. At this stage, you'll need to visit POWR.io. If you're new to POWR, you'll have to create an account first. The process is straightforward and you'll be set up in no time. Once logged in, explore the different music player options, select a music player that resonates with your brand and the experience you want to create for your visitors. PWR offers a range of customization tools. Feel free to experiment with colors, sizes, and playlist options to make your music player truly stand out. This personalization not only helps convey your brand's personality, but also ensures that the player integrates seamlessly with the aesthetic of your website. Once you're satisfied with your customized player, the next step is to publish it. By clicking Publish,